Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.
And let's listen to the humility of Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, how humble Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala was. Once Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, he picked up a lump of the earth from the ground and he said, I wish that I could become the lump of the earth. I wish my mother had never given birth to me. And he mentions further, listen to what he mentions. He says, I wish that I could be nothing. I wish I could have become a forgotten thing. Allahu Akbar wa Islam with this. This was the fear of Allah of Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, that he had so much fear about his hereafter, about the punishments of Allah, about Jahannam, about the grave, that this is what he used to say, that Ya Allah, I wish I could have become nothing. I wish I could have become a forgotten thing. That's how much fear of Allah he had. That's how much taqwa he had. That he's saying that, Ya Allah, I wish my mother had never given birth to me. This was Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala. And my dear Islam, Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, who was he? Let me tell you about the status of Sayyidina Farooq Azam. That at one stage he's saying this, that Ya Allah, I wish I could have become a forgotten thing. I wish my mother never gave birth to me. On the other hand, what does the Prophet ﷺ say about Sayyidina Farooq Azam? It's mentioned the Prophet ﷺ said that all the angels of the sky respect Sayyidina Umar, and every devil on the earth trembles with his fear. This was his rank, this was his status. But on the other hand, if you look, he's picking up a lump of the earth and he's saying that I wish I could have become this lump of this earth. I wish my mother never gave birth to me. I wish I could have become a forgotten thing. Just think to yourself that the Prophet ﷺ, he is saying that every angel of the sky respects Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala, and every devil, every Satan on the earth trembles with his fear. Allahu Akbar, my dear Islam brothers. Look at the status of Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiyallahu ta'ala.